Yes, get ready for the dictation containing 400 words at the speed of 80 words per minute. Let's start. 3 seconds. Start. Sir, I would like to make a few observations so that the Honorable Minister will make a note about the way in which these institutions are being run. It is a good thing that these institutions have been started, but at the same time, we are suffering from lack of coordination in regard to our technical education. We have certain institutes like the Polytechnic, etc., under the Scientific Research and Cultural Affairs Ministry, and they are run through the state governments. Then there are the engineering colleges under the universities, and thirdly, sir, trade technical education is imparted by the Central Labor Ministry at the state level. In addition to that, the states have certain arrangements of their own for technical education. I feel that there is no effort at coordination, and that leads to a good deal of confusion. Perhaps if there is effort, there are certain difficulties. I hope the Honorable Minister will tell us about that. I would also like to suggest that even in these four institutions, as for some time the medium of instruction would be English for emotional integration, an attempt should be made to take a few students from the neighboring region or other regions on a reciprocal basis. Otherwise, these institutes will themselves be developing, as was hinted by the previous speaker, some regional consciousness. There is great difficulty, sir, with regard to technical personnel for teaching, and I am not aware in what way these institutes will be staffed. Perhaps some foreigners will be brought in, but at the same time, with the arrangements existing at present for taking technical help from different countries, Russia, UK, USA, and Germany, I do not know whether there will be special courses provided in these institutes for the teaching staff from those different countries. What arrangements there are, one does not know. In the present arrangement for teaching, I should have liked to mention the fifth arrangement for teaching at present provided through the various industrial concerns like Bhilai, Raurkela, etc. All these big concerns have their big technical schools, and they take their students for postgraduate work as also for research work. What will therefore happen with regard to the standard is a question. Sir, we are not at all sure in our country about the correct use of terms. I would, for instance, mention here the word polytechnic. Stop. over.